St. James. We are sanitizing St. James Street and Sam Sharp Square, starting from the city center building.
The Sam Sharp Square in Montego Bay, St. James has been sanitized ahead of the increased flights to the tourism hotspot. The public space was sanitized on June 28 through a partnership with the Caribbean Cement Company, Jamaican Premix Limited and the St. James Municipal Corporation. Carib Cement's General Manager Yago Castro says cement trucks were used to carry the 30,000 gallons of disinfectant used to sanitize the park. He says the company is committed to providing additional assistance to the people of Montego Bay. Meanwhile, members of the Parliament at the Central St. James, Roy Clark, say the sanitization forms part of the activity to ensure public health and safety during the COVID-19 pandemic. The members of Parliament is urging all persons to practice the necessary protocols as outlined by the government.
Today we are here in a joint partnership with Carib Cement Company Limited and Premix Jamaica Limited and the Municipal Corporation of St. James. We are sanitizing St. James Street and Sam Sharp Square, starting from the city center building.
We'll be trying to do much more things here for the people of Montego Bay in the future, and I think this is a good opportunity. It's also a good opportunity to take advantage of our assets together with our partners of Premix, Jamaican Premix, using their ready mixers and our ready mixers together. They are equipped with a mixture of disinfectant, like 30,000 gallons that we've brought today, and we will use them to fully disinfect this beautiful Sam Sharp Square and surroundings.
We are in a situation, we are in a crisis, worldwide pandemic, and we have to play our part. And in doing it, we have to make sure that we practice all protocol wherein the government would have made known to us. We are asking those on the wider perimeter to make sure that they practice in their own individual way, because if each person practices that which is asked of them, then the entire community, the entire nation, the entire country will be practicing such.
We hope that we can continue to be a corporate citizen and a member of the business community and help in whatever way we can.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.